if Siri is not working on your AirPods or on your AirPods Pro. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you do that, then on your iPhone, just go to Settings. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, if you want to use Apple Intelligence, just enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence. And after that, just tap on Talk and type to Siri. And from here, if Hey Siri is on off, just select Siri or Hey Siri. But if it is already turned on, just select off. And after that, just select Hey Siri or Siri and Hey Siri. Then tap on Continue and just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup process. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. Now after you have enabled Hey Siri, then just go back and make sure you enable the toggle for Allow Siri when locked. Then enter your lock screen PIN. And after you enable this toggle, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page and make sure that your AirPods are paired with your iPhone. And if your AirPods are paired with your iPhone, you will see the name of your AirPods in the settings page. Now just tap on it, and from here under press and hold the AirPod, just select either your left or your right AirPod. Basically just select the AirPod with which you want to trigger Siri. For an example, I will select left. Now after you select left, from here just select Siri. Now if I take out the left AirPod and if I tap and hold on the flat area of the AirPod, we will successfully enable Siri or Apple Intelligence. As you can see, we have successfully enabled Apple Intelligence by just pressing or holding on the flat area on the AirPods. Just like that. But if you have done that and if this did not work, then just go back to Settings. And under Settings, just go back to the AirPod settings. And from here, just look for the option of microphone. Now just tap on microphone. Now if it is on always left or always right, just select automatically. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do, just go back to the AirPod settings. And at the bottom of the page, just select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device. And after you forget this device, then just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. Now if you're using the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid of the AirPod, then press and hold on the button at the back of the AirPod until this LED turns into orange. And once that happens, this indicates that you have completed the factory reset process of your AirPods. Now after you complete the factory reset process, then just close the lid of your AirPods, and after a couple of seconds, just open the lid back open and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you do that, you will fix the Siri not working issue on your AirPods or on your AirPods Pro. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.